Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you conjunction. Okay, and types of conjunctions, how many conjunctions are there. So definition of a conjunction is, a conjunction is a word. So what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to join words, group of words or sentences. So what is a conjunction, children? Conjunction is a joining word. That's why we call conjunction is a joining word, because it used to join words, group of words or sentences. The sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing. So in this, if you will read this if this sentence, you can see there are two sentences are there and it is joined by the conjunction and. Once again I read the conjunction. The sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing. So two sentences are there. The sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing, and it is joined by the conjunction that. Sorry, and. There was noise around me, but I was not disturbed. This is another conjunction. There was noise around me, but I was not disturbed. Then rice and curry is a popular dish. Rice and curry is a popular dish. Now here in this sentence, children, rice is a word and curry is a popular dish. This is a sentence and it is joined by the conjunction and. So in this sentences, the word which is there like and, but, and are conjunctions. The sun was shining, a hot wind was blowing. There are two sentences in the first sentences. The sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing. Similarly, sentence 2 consists of two short sentences. There was noise around me, full stop. I am not disturbed. But in sentence 3, the conjunction and has been used to join only two words, rice and curry. We cannot split the sentence into two shorter sentences. So children, sometimes the conjunction joins two long sentences or two short sentences or two words. Okay. Now I will be telling you about coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. There are two type of conjunction. Okay. The first is coordinating conjunction. All right. Then subordinating conjunction is there. So I will be telling you about coordinating conjunction. Okay. That what is a coordinating conjunction? So I will be telling you what is a coordinating conjunction. A conjunction used to join, listen to me, a conjunction used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal rank. A conjunction used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal rank or important is called a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating means of equal rank. A conjunction used to join two independent statement or two statement of equal rank or important is called a coordinating conjunction. So coordinating means of equal rank. In sentence 1 and 2 above, and but are coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction are of four types. So children, coordinating conjunctions are of four types. First, conjunction that merely add one statement or fact to another. Conjunction that merely add one statement or fact to another. Okay. And both, And this type of conjunctions are and, both, and, both, and, as well as, and, as well as, no less than, no less than, then, not only but also. So you can see, and, both, as well as, and, both, and, as well as, no less than, not only but also. So these are some of the coordinating conjunction. Okay, now I will be telling you one by one the uses of, one by one I will be telling you. So our first conjunction here is and. What is the first conjunction here? And. Like, the weather was fine and the sea was calm. If you will see these two sentences, they are two sentences. First, the weather was fine. The second, the sea was calm, and it is joined by the conjunction and. Okay. The door was open. My things were lying scattered. So there are two sentences which is joined by the conjunction and. The door was open. The door was open and my things were lying scattered. The doors were open and my things were lying scattered. So, children, if you will see these two conjunction, these two sentences, they are joined by and. The doors are opened. The doors are opened and my things were lying around. Now, second is both and. She is both intelligent and hardworking. She is intelligent, she is hardworking. Neeraj gave me both books and notes. Neeraj gave me both books and notes. Okay. Now, third is as well as. He, as well as his father, is dishonest. He, as well as his father, is dishonest. Okay. So there are two sentences are there. One is he, the other is he is dishonest, his father is he is dishonest, his father is dishonest. So two sentences are almost same. So with such sentence you have to write he as well as his father is dishonest. The captain as well as the crew was drowned. The captain as well as the crew was drowned. Okay. Captain and the crew was drowned. Both the things are representing to the person who was traveling in a ship. So the captain and the as well as the crew was drowned. Now, no less than. Okay. Now which one I am going to do? No less than. So you can hear, he no less than his brother is guilty. He no less than his brother is guilty. I am no less grateful to your father than to you. I am no less grateful to your father than to you. Then the children, the last one is not only but also. Not only but also. Okay. These two conjunctions are not only but also, they are often used together. He was not only fined but also imprisoned. He was not only fined but also imprisoned. Okay. The train was not only late but also fully packed. So these were coordinating conjunction. Okay. So these are of for four types. That means conjunction that merely add one statement or fact to another, and then and, both and, as well as, no less than, not only but also. These are some of the conjunction which we use in this type. Now, second type of conjunction is that expresses opposition or contrast. That means, children, the other type of sentences are there which express opposition or contrast between two statements. Okay. These type of conjunction are conjunction are but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while. Okay, so this type of conjunction is but, still, nevertheless, then whereas or while. Whereas or while. Okay. So this type of conjunction that they express opposite thing. They express contrast. Okay. Like but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while. Okay. So these are such type of conjunction which generally express contrast or opposite thing with each other. So I will start with but. The train was fully packed, but we got comfortable seats. Okay, the train was fully packed. See the contrast, but we got comfortable seats. The earthquake was quite severe, but the temple was not damaged. The earthquake was quite serious, but the temple was not damaged. Now, second is still and yet. Premchand is quite rich, still he is not contented. Then Premchand is quite rich, yet he is not contented. Okay, I was angry, still I did not scold him. I was angry, yet I did not scold him. Then children, third point is nevertheless. We were very tired, nevertheless we continued the work. We were very tired, we continued the work. I am hard up, nevertheless I will give you some money. Whereas, why? Wise men prefer qualities. Wise men prefer qualities, whereas fools prefer beauty. Rice needs plenty of water, whereas cotton needs black soil. Only. I'm alright, only I am tired. I'm alright, only I am tired. I'm alright, I'm tired. I could come, only I am busy. I could come, only I am busy. Conjunction that expresses a choice between two alternatives, or otherwise else, either or neither, nor are common conjunction. So third type of conjunction, now children, the last one is only, which expresses contrast. I am all right, only I am tired. The conjunction, see the variation. I am all right, only I am tired. I could come, only I am busy. He could come, also is busy. So see the contrast between these two sentences. Now, third is conjunction that expresses a choice between two alternatives. So that expresses there two alternatives are there, and this type of conjunction they expresses choices. Okay. So this type of conjunction is or, either or, neither nor, either or, neither or, nor otherwise else. Else. Okay. So here we can say first, so this type of conjunction that expresses a choice between two alternatives. You must apologize or you will be expelled from the school. You must apologize or you must be expelled from the school. Either or. Either attend to your lesson or leave the class. Either attend to your lesson or leave the class. Neither nor. He is neither lazy nor careless. He is neither lazy nor careless. Otherwise, otherwise else. Hurry up, otherwise you will be late for the school. Hurry up, else you will be late for the school. Now children, four type of conjunction I am going to explain to you. Conjunction by which one statement or fact is informed from another. Okay, conjunction from which one. So children, here conjunction by which one statement or fact is informed from another. So for, so, therefore are common conjunction of this time. For, she will rise in life. For, she is sincere and hardworking. Okay, so here one statement is rising from the fact or is inferred from another. Let me take leave of you, for I am getting late. Let me take leave of you, for I am getting late. So and therefore. He did not report in time, so he was not selected. He did not report in time, so he was not selected. Okay. He did not report in time, therefore he was not selected. We missed the bus, so we took a taxi. We missed the bus, therefore we took a taxi. So this one statement or fact is inferring from the another. Now children, the other type of conjunction is subordinating conjunction. So first type of conjunction was coordinating conjunction, and we had four type of conjunction here. And now children, we are having subordinating conjunction. Okay, and in this conjunction we are having two conjunctions. So first of all, I will be telling you what is a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions are those conjunction which are used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other is called a subordinating conjunction. A conjunction used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other is called a subordinating conjunction. We continued to work although we were getting late. We continued to work although we were getting late. In this sentence, although we were getting late is a subordinate clause. Although we were getting late is a subordinate clause, for it cannot stand on its own. Therefore, although is a subordinating conjunction. So children, a conjunction used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other is called a subordinating conjunction. So here children, two statements will be there and one of the statement will be dependent on other. Okay, and that is known as subordinating conjunction. Like, we continued to work hard although we were getting late. So in this sentences, although we were getting late is a subordinate clause, for it cannot stand on its own. Therefore, although is a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction may be classified according to their meaning. Now children, principal clause is that clause which is not dependent on anything, any sentences. Subordinate clause is that clause which is dependent on the other clause. It may be the principal clause. And the conjunction, like here, we continue to work although we were getting late. So although we were getting late is a subordinate clause. And children, if you will see this clause, the conjunction through which this clause is starting is although. So although is a subordinating conjunction. Now Subordinating conjunction introducing noun clauses. The various kind of clauses, noun, adjective, adverb are all discussed in chapter 18. We have already done that clauses. Here let us understand that there are some subordinating conjunction that introduce a particular type of subordinate clause. First is that. She said that she was not yet very confident. Are you sure that you have the right to address? I am afraid that I shall not be able to come. It appears that father is in bad mood. Then if or whether. She asked me if I had suffered sufficient woolens for the winter. They wanted to know whether I could accept the proposal. So these are some of the subordinate conjunction including noun clauses. Now subordinate conjunction introducing adverb clause. So first of all, adverb clause of time, which are when, whenever, before, after, till, since, as soon as, while, as. He felt very sorry when he realized his mistake. He felt very sorry when he realized his mistake. I will give him your message whenever I see him. The farmers had harvested the crop before the rain set in. They reached the theatre after the show had begun. Father asked me to stay at home till he returned. She has not written to me since she left. As soon as I got the telegram, I left for Delhi. I came across an old friend as I was walking to the school. While suggest a certain duration of time, as a conjunction, it means during the time that for as long as at the same time. So while there is life, there is hope. As can be used to mean when or while. I saw him as he was getting off the bus. The suggestion is that he was still in the process of getting off the bus when I saw him. Now, so children, you can see such type of conjunction are added with the adverb clause. Now, another adverbial clause conjunction is place. This type of conjunction is where or wherever. She found her bag where she had left it in the shop. Wherever he goes, he wins respect. Wherever he goes, he wins respect. Then children, we are having cause of reason. What are cause of reason? Because, alright. Then because is there, since is there, as is there. So I prefer to live in Shimla because the climate of the hills suits me. I prefer to live in Shimla because the climate of the place suits me. Then the second sentence is the thief could escape easily since there was no policeman in the duty. We did not call him for interview as we had not received his application in time. Now, result or consequences is so that, such that. So there are two conjunction here for the result or consequences. One is so that and then such that. Her result was so poor that all of us were disappointed. Or then one more sentence I am going to tell you. There was such a crowd at the platform that we could not go into the train. Now children, purpose. Okay, now the purpose will be shown. Purpose is so that dad lest. She is working day and night so that she may improve her result. We eat that we may live. He is wearing a woolen coat lest he should catch cold. So that and so that should be clearly distinguished. So in the principal cause and that introducing a subordinate clause suggests result. So that together suggest purpose. It is raining so hard that we cannot go out. Our not going out is the result of a heavy rain. Now we are organizing a fete so that we may raise fund for the school building. The purpose of organizing a fete is to raise fund for the school building. Lest is followed by should, and the clause introduced by lest does not take a negative. I am taking a taxi lest I should get late. Now then children, the conjunction is there related with the condition. Okay. Now condition is if and unless. You will be turned out if you make some noise. You will not be allowed to enter unless you have an invitation card. Then children, concession or contrast, and such type of conjunction here are though, although, yet, even if, even though. So let's begin let me tell you some of the conjunctions. Example of, first of all, though she is humble, though she is rich. She is humble, though she is rich. Although he lost heavily, yet he did not lose heart. Then the third sentence is, I shall not betray my country even if I have to sacrifice my life for it. Now children, the next is comparison. In comparison, as, or then come. He is as stupid as his brother. He is as stupid as his brother. Anu is clever than her sister. Now children, which that it is THAN. So this thing we have finished. Okay. Now children, some conjunction are used in pair, that also I am going to discuss with you. Like and children, they convey their full sense only when they are used in pairs, like either or. Either you should return the book or pay its price. Okay, so they are used in pairs only. We could watch the movie either on the video or in the hall. Then neither nor. I am neither a fool nor a rug. They neither pay the rent nor vacate the house. Then children, both and. I both love you and admire you. The thief was both fined and imprisoned. Now such land as is described here does not exist anywhere. He is not such a man as you would like to marry. Such was his love for her that he gave up the throne in order to marry her. Such was the intensity of her grief that she could not even weep. So as. He is not so brave as you think. He is as brave as a lion. Then as and so. This is one group. As you sow, so shall you reap. Okay. As you sow, so shall you reap. As the child is, so is the man. Then children, so that. She sang so sweetly that the whole hall started clapping. She sang so sweetly that the whole hall started resounded with cheers. This can be also be said. Then the speech was so moving that all eyes became wet. The speech was so moving that all the eyes became wet. Then scarcely is this is hardly. It is used with when. Hardly had we stopped out when we got drenched. Or scarcely had we stepped out when we got drenched. She had hardly recovered from malaria when she met with an accident. Then the most popular is not only but also. She can speak not only French but German also. The soldier not only killed people but destroyed property also. Then children, the last one is no sooner and then dash. So no sooner goes with dash. No sooner did I begin my homework than the telephone bell rang. No sooner did I begin my homework than the telephone bell rang. No sooner do the clouds appear in the sky Then the peacocks begins to dance. No sooner when do the clouds appear in the sky, then the peacocks begin to dance. So children, with this I complete my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.